Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching the Coders Code, so let's begin. Today we are going to see about HTML presentation. I will give a simple HTML presentation to how formatting the HTML page, how CSS works in the HTML, what is the meaning of CSS, what is the meaning of HTML. Then we will discuss about some part of the HTML, um, and we will run that code in the Visual Studio Code also. We will try that. Okay, so let's begin. Our PPT contains introduction to the HTML documentations, tags in the HTML, use of tags, difference between class and ID selectors, what is CSS, how CSS helps HTML, example code and output screenshots. About I have taken one examples, so we will see also that. Okay, so in introduction, the HTML is the language for describing web page. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. HTML is not a programming language, it is a markup language. A markup language is a set of markup tags. HTML uses markup tags to describe web pages. So we already know that HTML is a hypertext markup language. So actually, how or why we need to use HTML? What is the use of HTML? So basically, HTML is used for designing a web page, and CSS helps to make up this HTML page. Okay, so we will see how documents of the HTML or how tags formats in will be in the HTML. So firstly, outer tag is like HTML tag, right? And inside that there are two tags like head tag and body tag, right? Here is the head tag. I will try to show you in the Visual Studio Code also. See here, like firstly, HTML is the outer one tag. Inside that there are two tags like body tag, okay, and another one which is head tag. These are the two tags mostly important. And then inside it there are lots of tags. If suppose I want to insert title, then title tag is also there. Okay, then I will just type here like, and inside body tag there are also header tag. I also write that header tag. Then just I will type here like, this is the header tag. H1 tag is also there, for heading. Suppose I want to give header like okay, this is the heading one. There are like, okay, I will create one dev also. Dev tag is also there, and inside dev, suppose I want to apply CSS, so what we add only like class also we can add, and class name I will give like dev first. Okay, dev 1 I will add just, and I will try to show you about heading tags. Like there are 5 to 6 heading tags. Okay, one. Yes, to tag is also like heading 2. Okay, now H3 is also there. Heading 3. I just tell you about what is the difference between these tags, heading tags. Heading 4 is also there, okay. H5, heading 5, then H6, heading 6, okay. I will just run this. Wait a while. See, here here are the heading tags, like heading 1, H1 tag size varies, like heading 6 tag is a little bit smaller. So this is the heading tags. Suppose I want to add CSS here, so what we can do here, like in go to the just in head tag and type here like style tag. Inside it, just this is the class, so like we'll add div, right? Div1 is our class name, and inside it I want to text, so we have seen that text is at left side, so I want to take it in the center. So what we need to do, so I just add like text align, yeah, text align center, okay. So see, our heading tags are at center, right? And suppose I want to add background color. What you want to do now, we can do inside CSS. Okay, green or color, depends on what color you want. So see, there are lots of colors, lots of colors. See, by just here coming, and then you want to select from here which color do you want to select now. Just take it here and just click on that. You will see the color changing, okay. And suppose this is the class, so I will try to give another, so I will try to introduce first PPT. So header tags are also there. I already told about not our footer. I will add footer one. So footer tag, okay. Footer tag is also there. This is the footer. I will add this in the H1 tag. Okay. So you will get that here footer is at the last. So yeah, this is the basic structure of the HTML page. So these are the some tags: HTML tag, head tag, title tag, body tag, H1 to H6 already told. P tag is for paragraph tag. PR tag is used to, suppose there is one sentence I want to break it, so I will add just in middle, then now the sentence will be break down in two parts, okay. And HR tag is also there, like HR tags helps, like I will show you in the example. I will add here one HR tag, okay. So let's see this line is coming up. This is the HR only. and suppose I will add here br tag. So just see what happens. See, heading is coming up and one is coming down, right? Why? Because we have added here br. So this is the like line breaking tag. Okay. So let's go ahead. These are the just uses of tags. Like HTML tag defines an HTML documents. Head tag contains metadata information for the documents. Title defines the title for the documents. Body defines the document's body. H1 to H6 defines HTML headings. P tags defines paragraphs. BR insert a single line breaker, and HR defines the matic change in the content. I already told about that. Yes. So we will go ahead. These are the difference between classes and id selector. These are there are two selectors, sorry, id selector and class selector. Inside it, what happens in the id selector we will discuss. So I will read first. The id selector matches an elements based on the value of its id attribute. For the element to be selected, its id attribute must exactly must the value given in the selector. So symbol and the id of the html element name are used to select the desired elements. Class selector, another class selector are there. Suppose I will read first. Okay, the class selector selects elements which is which a specific class attribute. It matches all the html elements based on the contents of the class attribute. The symbol along with the class name is used to select the desired class. Okay, so what is dot and hash? I will give you show you already. I have discussed that dot is a class. Dot, and this is the div one is the class name. So a class is like suppose I want to add class here. So I will give just class and any name what you want to add their name. Now you can give your on your choice, and I want to change with respect to the class name. So go into the style, or you have created here another style in the like I have created here index.html, and inside it I am giving using the styles css. So I have just added here styles, and suppose I don't want to do that, just add here link and just link this HTML page to the another suppose I have created here CSS. So just try to clear connect it by adding one tag like link, uh, just style and then path of that file. Okay, this is a simple one. And just suppose I want to, there is a id class, so I will try to add one thing here. Suppose this is the id selector, and inside there delete this will be like div 2. This is the div 1 actually. What you want to add name you can give on your choice. And suppose I want to do changes with respect to the id, so just write here hash, and inside it you here need to give the div 2, and here just write what you want to add. Okay, so this is the thing actually I will show again. This is the format syntax, like hash id name and dot class name is defining the properties here, right? What is css? Css stands for cascading style sheets. Css describes how the html elements are to be displayed on the screen, paper, or on other media. CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of the multiple web pages all at once. External style sheets are stored in a class files. So how CSS helps HTML? Already discussed about it. With CSS you can control the color, font, size of the text, the spacing between the elements, how elements are positioned at and light out, what background image or background color are to be used, different displays for the different devices and screen size, their media is the query, we need to fire that, and much more. Okay, so this is the example. Not need to go ahead and go through this example because I have used JavaScript also. So this is the linking, like link a real icon and data. Just I have taken from the linking part only. So this is the all about HTML.